Here, this is Jamie Walker with NetSimple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your recurring donors in the NetSimple fundraising platform. So I'm just logged in here. I'm at the welcome home screen, and to get to the recurring manager, you're going to want to click on your fundraising module, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 links down is recurring, and you're going to want to click on that. It'll open up our recurring manager, and you'll see a list of all the existing recurring donations or recurring transactions that are going on within the system. And the columns that we have set up is the name of the donor, the name on the card, what the recurring ID is. You may need this if you happen to contact support and want some help with managing a recurring donor. What the start date is, the frequency, what status is, it could be active or inactive, and what the amount is. Now, whenever you see a hyperlink here, that opens up the recurring transaction, the recurring donor record in the CRM, and so you can open that up and have be able to view all of the donor's information, what the payment method that's on file, and the transactions that have taken place. And then over here you have options, and you can click on that to see all of the transactions that have come through on that recurring donation. And then you also have a stop cancel. So if you click on that, you'll get a little notification asking you just to verify if you want to cancel that recurring donation. So that's something that you can do here in your in the manager. You don't have to contact us to cancel recurring donations. If any one of your donors or members calls you up and wants to cancel their recurring, you can just log in, come to the recurring manager, locate their recurring transaction, click options, and then hit stop cancel. If somebody should happen to need to change anything with their recurring transaction, we do have edit recurring. It's currently in beta right now, so you'll see this little feature, this little notation right here that's saying that it's in beta. You may experience minor bugs. If you experience any issues, please contact our support. Up here at the top, you'll see basically just the details of what the current status of that is. So it's active, it's monthly, this is the amount, this is the processing date, and this is the end date. So if you just need to make it inactive, you can, without canceling it, you have that option to be able to do that. You need to check the inactive box and hit save. If you need to change the frequency, you can do that as well. You can do monthly, weekly, or annually. And then if you need to adjust the amount, you can just update the amount. And then the processing date, so if you need to adjust that to a different date, right now it's scheduled for the 13th, but maybe if you want to do it on the 14th instead, or say on a payday, you can do that. And then you can pick a date. If there's no end date right now, it's designated as no end date, but maybe if you want to select a date in the future to end that transaction, you have that option currently too. And all you do after you just make these adjustments, you can hit save, and it will save your changes there. If you don't need to make any changes to this, you can just click this X and get out of that. So this is the recurring manager. This is how you manage recurring transactions or donations in the NetSimple fundraising module. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer service or support team. You can email them at support@netsimple.com. Thanks a lot. Take care.